Now we are on the Adjustments tab. So we have the subject fields. In the center here, we have the comparable and the address. So we have the subject and then the 3 comp properties. I'm going to select one of these subject fields. So I will choose number of bedrooms. So back in the center here, we see the subject has 3 bedrooms. 2 of the comps have 3 bedrooms and 1 has 4 bedrooms. Here, I'm going to subtract the value of the bedroom to match the subject. Now, keep in mind again that I am not an agent, so I will be making up this value. So I'm going to do minus 100. And if I scroll down, I can see under the comparable adjustment summary that what I just did was added there. I'll delete that. And I think I'd rather do auto adjust comparables. So first, I am going to go to edit adjustment list. So I'll need to scroll down a bit and select edit adjustment list. We are going to give Flex the values of the fields we want to make the adjustments on. So I have a few here already. And I'm going to add a new one. Again, the property type is residential. And I will stick with number bedrooms and a value of 100. And then I can save that by clicking save here. And I'm ready, so I will return to the CMA. Now that I have edited the adjustment list, I'm going to click Auto Adjust Comparables. It's asking me if I want to proceed. Yes. And it is letting me know that 5 adjustments were added to the CMA. I could click through these subject fields and see which adjustments were made this way. So total full baths, it looks like there was 1 adjustment made. Number of bedrooms. Or I can scroll down to this adjustment summary and look at the adjustments that were made for each of the properties. So we have the description and we have the value. And I'm going to click this drop down and choose one of the other properties. And I'll look at all of them. All right, so next we have the summary tab. So we have the summary of closed listings. That's the status I chose, closed. We have sold price, total adjustments, adjusted price. Scrolling down, we have low, average, median, and high comparisons. And then we have overall market analysis unadjusted. Next, we have the recommendation tab. So the subject property listing price recommendation. We have low, high, and recommended. You can change this price. Maybe you want a round number, or there's a value of something you can't account for in Flex. So I'm going to change it to 500,000. And next,
we hope you found this quick tip video helpful. If you did, give it a like. Also, check out the rest of the Main Listings YouTube channel for even more videos like this one.